Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through a quick and easy guide on how to hide a chat on Google Chat on your PC with the new update. If your chat list feels cluttered, or you just want to keep things a little more private, this simple trick will help you stay organized in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head to google.com. This is where everything begins. Once you're there, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your Google profile photo, and right next to it, a small grid of 9 dots. This is known as the Google Apps menu. Go ahead and click on those 9 dots. A drop-down will appear showing all of Google's connected apps. From this list, find and click on Chat. Once Google Chat opens, you'll see all your recent conversations displayed on the left side of the screen. This is your chat list, where every conversation, group chat, and contact appears. Now, locate the specific chat you want to hide. Hover your mouse over it and notice that 3 little dots appear next to the chat name. These are your chat options. Click on those 3 dots to open the menu. From the drop-down that appears, choose Hide Conversation. The chat will instantly disappear from your main chat list. Don't worry, though this doesn't delete the conversation or any messages. Hiding simply removes it from your list for a cleaner look. You can always find the chat again later by searching for the person's name or the group's title using the search bar at the top of Google Chat. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully hidden a conversation in Google Chat using the latest update. If this helped you tidy up your chat list or boosted your privacy, make sure to stick around for more quick and useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.